Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to save your Instagram story to a gallery. So first of all, just go ahead to your apps or Google Play and just start looking for the Instagram and double check if your Instagram needs to be updated. If it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just see right here. This is like my Instagram home feed. Now, in order to actually save my Instagram story into the gallery, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my profile icon at the below right corner, and from here I'm gonna click the three bars at the top right, and then go ahead to the settings. Right in the settings, what I'm gonna do, you're gonna be able to see privacy. Basically, you're gonna see right here story. Right now, if you want to actually save all of your stories to a camera roll, just toggle this one on, right, and automatically the photos and videos that you posted on your Instagram story will be saved to your camera roll, right? Or you can just post an Instagram story, and while you're posting, you're gonna be able to click on your story and click the three dots at the below right corner on your story, and you're gonna be able to save it to your gallery if it was for a specific photo. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.